Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, and the big level that I talked about was this green line here at 8,400, because that was pretty much kind of the progress point. The price had broken up above it, and then you can see several times, the bears try to press down below it. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls are doing a great job. And then recently, essentially the past 24 hours, really the past 12 hours or so, you can see that the bears were able to not only push down through it, but as I speak right now, the bears are in the middle of a full-blown breakdown. Remember, cryptocurrencies are open 24 hours a day. So this will continue to unfold as I talk and then going over the next 24 hours. So depending on when you watch this video, the chart may look a little bit different, but that's why I try to always focus on kind of the overall level. So for the next 24 hours, this video here does remain relevant. First update that needs to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 8,400 had a very solid run of being that area of support. But with today, the price now breaking below it and on any sort of bounce back up to the upside, 8,400 is going to be that first key hurdle that the bulls will need to fight back above. So over the next 24 hours, I fully plan on coming back and doing this video again around same time tomorrow. We'll see where the price is, but as far as resistance levels, yeah, 8,400, definitely that key level. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, first one that I'd probably consider more of a ideal and shorter term one would be right here around the 77.50 mark. So 77.50, that would be a potential area. But as far as just, hey, Clay, what about just really truly the broad overall levels? That would be where this previous bleeding stopped, right down there around 73.50. I'd be pretty shocked if the price got all the way down there to 73.50. Then again, this is Bitcoin and it can have big swings, so you never know. But this bounce here, was doing so well. It was holding up very nicely. And then, like I said, got the breakdown today. And I'm not sure what the headlines are saying, but whatever they are, apparently people weren't able to have enough faith and confidence and able to keep, the price up around here. So looking like 77.50 could very, very easily get tested here over the next 24 hours. Like I said, I don't know about all the way down there at 73.50, but 77.50 doesn't seem to be that much of a stretch. So we'll see how things unfold. If the price does decide it wants to turn around and rip back upwards, then that first measure of strength on any sort of bounce, again, right up there at 8,400. So we'll see what the next 24 hours bring. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.